Be careful when you insert columns or rows, as there is a risk that Excel will miss what you're trying to do. So here we've got some subtotals, and you'll see this one adds up 3 cells. This over here does a sum, and it adds up that area. At the last minute we realize we've left out a cost, so I'm going to insert, and let's put in some labor costs of 300, and over here some more labor costs of 300. Let's see what the formulas are looking at. So this one is still wrong. As you can see, we explicitly said look at these 3 cells, so it hasn't included that one. But be careful here, because if you insert the row close to a border, it may or may not include it. So if it's above, it won't include it, and you'll think it's added in, but it's not added in. A quick way to check that is to click on the total and do trace precedent, or else click on the new number you've entered and do trace dependence, and it will warn you that it's not used anywhere.